Welcome to Spring LIB.
So it's basically comparing the windows down and the AC off, or the windows up, AC on. And the windows down, AC off, sometimes, very rarely, but sometimes has more, rather, is a greater consumption of gasoline. And this is because it has to do work against the wind. So essentially, when the car is traveling at high speeds, AC is off and windows are down. Gasoline consumption is higher than AC on, windows up, because the car has to generate more mechanical work to account for wind resistance. So that would be our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.